Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Viva's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you how I made this oven baked delicious potatoes and chicken, which is so juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside. You will love the recipe. Please go nowhere. Stay tuned till the end and be inspired. Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. I've got chicken thighs, I've got garlic powder, ginger powder, cayenne pepper, paprika powder, chicken seasoning, salt, and shrimp tablet. And also, I've got oyster sauce, cooking wine, stir fry oil, my herbaceous seasonings, and all-purpose seasonings. Okay, so stay tuned till the end, lovelies, and I'm so sure you love this recipe. All right, so in the bowl which has my chicken, I'm adding my seasonings. As you all can see, I'm mixing them together, and yes, I'm adding them right now. So the shrimp tablet is so hard, so I'm going to use my grater to grate it just like so. Next, I'm adding my all-purpose seasonings, and next my complete Badia seasonings. Beautiful. And next, I'm adding my cooking wine. Next, my oyster sauce, and next, stir fry oil, which you can use any oil of your choice or even butter. Yeah. So now I'm rubbing all the seasonings in the chicken just like so, making sure all parts of the chicken really absorbs the seasonings or they are well coated with the seasonings. Now I'm covering the chicken up with my cling film just like so, and I'll let them marinate for about 30 minutes in the fridge. Yeah, so next lovelies, I'm going ahead to peel off the skin of my potatoes just like so, and I'll use my knife to also cut all the blemishes from the flesh, and I'll cut them into halves, and into each half I'll cut them into 3 or 4. Okay, so it's all by choice and preference as to how you want the size of the potatoes to be. All right, lovelies, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. Don't forget to also recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. And hey, if it's your first time stumbling on this channel, kindly do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to also hit on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Okay, so as we are all done peeling off the skin, let's tidy up the back surface. And after that, give our potatoes a thorough wash under running water. Okay, so we are back, and lovelies, I'm adding stir fry oil to the potatoes. Next, I'm adding chicken seasonings, and next my complete herbaceous seasonings. Now let's rub everything in just like so for the potatoes to really absorb the seasonings. This smells so good. Next, lovelies, I'm going ahead to add unsalted butter, carrots, green pepper, and red pepper to our potatoes, just like so. And I'll just toss everything like this. Yeah, just to let them spread out, or you can even use your hand to spread it out. Okay, so I've just added them to my baking dish, and now I'm adding my marinated chicken. Ooh, this smells so good. Well marinated, and I love everything about this. Amazing. I'm adding more of the stir fry oil to help with the crispy effect. So now into the oven they go, and few minutes later we are back, and I'm flipping it over for the other side of the chicken to also bake nicely. Lovelies, you need to be here. This is an amazing recipe that must be tried as soon as possible. So in the oven again it goes, and we are back. We are finally done. It's so quick, easy, simple, but the recipe, lovelies, is so heavily. Don't just watch the video, but give it a try and thank me later. You love it. All the same, I'll leave the list of all the ingredients in the description box below. Check it out and try this recipe out and thank me later. I'm so much impressed with the results, and I'm sure you've been inspired. For more of my videos, lovelies, follow your girl on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. And I want to give a big shout out to all my subscribers and followers. I can't thank you enough. You are highly appreciated. God richly bless you for holding your girl down, and especially to Barber's Kitchen, to Augment TV, to Yummy Cash food recipes, to Exhibiting Mommy's recipes, to Joyce's Cake Designer TV, to Rabiatu Ibrahim, Cooking with Efia. The list goes on and on. Lovelies, I can't thank you enough. I appreciate you all. God bless you abundantly. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Mwah, kiss. Bye, all. This is yummy, delicious.